Today, we'll explore a complete day of healthy eating, from breakfast to supper. Instead of following a strict diet, I'll give you multiple choices for each meal so you can build a plan that's flexible and enjoyable. Eating in sequence breakfast, lunch, dinner, and supper helps balance energy, support digestion, and promote better sleep. Let's start with breakfast, the meal that sets the tone for your entire day. Breakfast Energy Kickstart. Breakfast is your body's first fuel after fasting overnight. A balanced breakfast helps you avoid mid-morning energy crashes and improves focus. Here are 3 healthy options you can choose from. Option A: oatmeal with berries, chia seeds, and honey. Oats are slow-digesting carbohydrates that keep your blood sugar steady. Berries add antioxidants for brain health, chia seeds provide omega-3s and fiber, and honey adds a touch of natural sweetness. Option B: Greek yogurt parfait with granola and bananas. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics for gut health. Granola provides crunch and whole grains, while banana adds potassium for energy and heart health. This option is quick to prepare, perfect for busy mornings. Option C: vegetable omelet with whole grain toast and avocado. Eggs supply protein and essential vitamins. Adding spinach, peppers, or mushrooms boosts nutrient intake. Whole grain toast provides fiber, and avocado contributes healthy fats. This breakfast keeps you full for hours. Tip: pair your breakfast with water, green tea, or black coffee instead of sugary drinks to stay hydrated and energized. Lunch, balanced and satisfying. By lunchtime, your body has already burned through a lot of your morning energy. A balanced lunch is like a reset button. It refuels your system, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps your energy consistent until dinner. The key is balance. Lunch should provide lean protein, healthy carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. That way you feel satisfied, not sleepy. Here are 3 lunch options to keep you energized and satisfied. Option A: grilled chicken with quinoa and broccoli. Chicken breast is lean and packed with protein to help repair muscles and keep hunger at bay. Quinoa is a complete plant-based carbohydrate, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Broccoli adds fiber for digestion and vitamin C for immunity. Together, this plate is light, clean, and energizing. Option B: lentil soup with whole grain bread and a fresh salad. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and iron, perfect if you want a vegetarian option. The soup is hearty but not heavy. The whole grain bread gives you long-lasting energy, and the salad brings raw nutrients for balance. This lunch is warming, nourishing, and budget-friendly. Option C: salmon with brown rice, spinach, and roasted sweet potato. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve brain function and heart health. Brown rice is a complex carbohydrate that fuels you steadily without spikes. Spinach adds iron, and sweet potato provides beta-carotene, great for eye health and immunity. This is a powerful plate for anyone who needs long-lasting fuel. No matter which option you choose, the idea is the same. Balance your plate. Think of your lunch plate in 3 parts: half vegetables, a quarter protein, and a quarter healthy carbs. This keeps your energy stable and digestion smooth. Tip: meal prep makes healthy lunches easy. Grill chicken in bulk, cook a pot of lentils, or bake salmon ahead of time. Store them in containers so you can mix and match all week. Having healthy options ready means you're less tempted to grab fast food. Dinner light but nutritious. As the day winds down, dinner should nourish you without being too heavy. Unlike lunch, which powers you through the afternoon, dinner's job is to refuel gently while preparing your body for rest. Many people make the mistake of eating the heaviest meal at night. This often leads to sluggish digestion, poor sleep, and even weight gain. The key is, eat light, eat balanced, and eat early if possible. Here are 3 delicious and nutritious dinner options. Option A: stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and soba noodles. Tofu is an excellent source of plant protein and calcium. Paired with colorful vegetables, like carrots, bell peppers, and broccoli, you're getting antioxidants and fiber. The soba noodles, made from buckwheat, provide steady carbs without heaviness. This meal is light but keeps you satisfied until morning. Option B: baked cod with asparagus and cauliflower mash. Cod is a lean, white fish that's gentle on digestion while being rich in protein. Asparagus is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, while cauliflower mash is a lighter, lower-carb alternative to mashed potatoes. This option is elegant, flavorful, and perfect for anyone watching their carbs at night. Option C: turkey and vegetable stew with barley. Turkey is a lean source of protein and tryptophan, which promotes better sleep. When combined with vegetables like carrots, celery, and zucchini, it creates a hearty but not heavy dish. Barley adds fiber and minerals, making the stew warm, filling, and perfect for colder evenings. At dinner, portion control matters. Use the plate method. Half your plate should be vegetables, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 whole grains or starches. This ensures your meal is satisfying but not excessive. Another tip: try to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to digest properly, so your sleep is deeper and more restorative. If you ever feel too full after dinner, it's usually a sign that the meal was either too large or too heavy. Adjusting portion size or choosing lighter proteins like fish, tofu, or legumes can make a big difference. So whether you choose the plant-based stir-fry, the lean baked fish, or the cozy turkey stew, the goal is the same. End your day with a meal that's nourishing, balanced, and easy on your body. Supper. Supper is the last full meal of the day. The goal here is to keep things light, nourishing, and easy to digest. When we eat the right foods in the evening, our bodies can focus on recovery and deep rest instead of struggling with heavy digestion. Option A: herbal soup and crackers. A bowl of warm vegetable or miso soup with whole grain crackers makes a comforting supper. It's soothing, low in calories, and packed with gentle nutrition. The warmth relaxes the body, while fiber keeps you satisfied without heaviness. Option B: steamed fish and veggies. Steamed white fish with simple vegetables like broccoli and zucchini is another excellent option. Lean protein supports muscle repair overnight, while vegetables provide antioxidants for cell renewal. Option C: fruit and herbal tea. For those who prefer something very light, a small fruit plate paired with calming tea is ideal. Chamomile or lavender tea with papaya, kiwi, or a few grapes helps you relax and prepares you for a restful night's sleep. Optional late snack. Snack choices. Sometimes hunger sneaks in late at night. Instead of reaching for chips or sweets, choose something light and calming. A spoonful of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey, a handful of nuts, or a banana with a few almonds are all sleep-friendly snacks. They provide natural tryptophan, magnesium, and gentle sugars that help the brain release melatonin, the hormone of sleep. Remember, supper and late snacks should never be heavy or greasy. Keep them small, soothing, and simple. Eating light in the evening allows your body to rest, repair, and prepare for tomorrow. Sleep well and wake up refreshed. Thank you for joining us today on Live Well Journey. We've explored a full day of balanced eating, from energizing breakfasts to light suppers and soothing late-night snacks. Remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about progress and consistency. Choose what works best for your body, listen to your hunger, and enjoy every meal with gratitude. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to live a healthier life. Together, let's continue this journey of wellness, one mindful choice at a time. See you in the next video, and until then, eat well and live better.